What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy C. Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Dropping in today, just want to hit y'all real quick with something that just touched down. We all know that feeling when the pack hits the doorstep. You've been watching the track in, like looking, like come on, where you at? Out for delivery. And we finally got it in hand. And we're going to be talking about the New Balance 1906R Baklava, that's right, Action Bronson Medusa Azul. Now, this is a pack that I actually hit on this on the EQL raffle. I don't know what's been going on. The EQL raffle's been treating your boy right. Actually put in for a buddy. He was like, if you're not going for him, drop in 11.5. I did, and like within an hour, I got a W. Really shocked to do that. But the box is really nice, and it says on the label, Action Bronson New Balance 1906R, and that is in the blue black. So all it says, bleu noir, if you're French. The baklava on the top, all over, red box, nice box here. And let's just open this up, see what we get. Just a nice, wow, mirrored inside. You actually see a reflection, that's pretty cool. And as you see, like the baklava has kind of like a mirror effect, right? Like a wavy kind of thing, really digital looking. And wow, it comes with a really nice bag inside, like a mesh New Balance specializing in life bag, pretty slick. And let's look at the shoe. Okay, not bad at all. That's a nice looking shoe, to be honest. Nice colors on this one. Nice materials all around. It's a lot going on. You got the baklava, obviously, on the tongue, which is pretty nice. Really cushion inside. Got a 1906 hang tag on the side as well. Pretty fresh, man. This is a nice looking shoe. I ain't gonna hold you. It's got the burgundy or purple kind of nylon laces on it. And this looks definitely like an Action Bronson, right? We've seen the shoes. Of course, they released the Rosewater, I think about a week or so ago prior to the Medusa Azul. And I know Rosewater was kind of sought after, that reddish, yellow, pink, real colorful looking shoe. And the Medusa Azul was the other color. And I think this color is a lot more wearable for me. I don't wear a lot of those other colors like on the Rosewater, but it's a nice summer shoe, man. And I thought, you know, getting this shoe or prior to getting it, that it'd be like something that's really a whole lot of nylon, not very breathable. But this shoe is like light mesh, kind of all over. So it's actually a lot more breathable, I think, than I was giving it credit for. I know on the detailing, I've seen somewhere the straps from the little support from the midfoot, kind of, you see it on the outside going down, and they kind of took that away. So I don't know if that strap and support system does still go there, but it's just hidden. But overall, nice, man. The heel counter is really strong in the back. You got NB on the back there. You got the New Balance, got an N on the forefoot there as well. And again, I like the tongue. I mean, the material on this tongue is serious. This is like a very thick kind of mesh and polyester nylon situation going on there. And then of course the outsole, your typical 1906 outsole there. And on the back, I always feel like this foam, the way this is set, reminds me of Nike Shocks. I don't know if that has anything to do with the way they set those up. This is a nice shoe on its own. But yeah, colors, what y'all think about this? I mean, this is like very wearable, like I said, blue, brown, tan, purple. I think it's a very wearable, colorful shoe. Did you cop a pair of these? Were these on your list? I know they're doing a re-release on, I think it's on the New Balance site coming up. I want to say that's July 20th. I'll double check the dates on that and drop that in the video. But if y'all know, hit me down in the comments. Let me know where these rank on your list for 2024. Is this a fire shoe for you, or are you just like, I mean, I'm in the DMV, I'm in Maryland, and you know, here, New Balance has been light for a long time, but I've just never been one to collect a bunch of New Balance. I don't know why. I guess because they've been always so available. They've always been in every store in my area. They just, I don't know. It takes a lot for me to get excited about a New Balance. I'll say that. And they've always been like just a regular, like a running shoe for, you know, the running crowd. And now they get more into fashion, obviously collabs. Action Bronson is doing, you know, a lot with New Balance and changing up the way they are coloring some of their models. He said there's a lot of hidden things inside this shoe. And a lot of these you'll notice when you put the shoe on. The insole is black, has Baklava New Balance in there as well. So yeah, but these aren't mine. I'm not putting these on foot. These are for a homeboy, but once he gets them, I'll find out what he says about them, how he likes them. And that's it. Just wanted to bring y'all a quick look. Like I said, hot off the delivery truck. And let me know where these fall if you're picking up a pair yourself. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.